statements are true and false. First, energy is released from burning fuel in a chemical reaction called combustion. Yes, it's true. First, true. Second, breaking chemical bonds in a fuel release loads of energy. It's false. Coal, oil, and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they contain fossils. No, it's false. Sedimentary rocks are porous, which means they are impermeable to oil and gas. No, false. Burning fossil fuels produce sulfur dioxide, which cause acid rain. It's true. Yes, it's true. Second, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Tick the answer B, electricity. Tick the answer B, electricity. Second, in the last 100 years, the temperature on the Earth's surface has risen by around, answer D, 2 Celsius. Answer D, 2 Celsius. Third, which of the following gases decreases when coal is burned in air? Answer B, oxygen. Fourth, which of these statements about global warming is true? A, desert will get larger. Deserts will get larger. Which of the following is true? 5. A, making bonds in molecule release lots of energy. Making bonds of energy. Making bonds, first making bonds in molecules release lots of energy. Yes, Zara, open page number 14. Yes, student, open page number 14. Zara. Turn on cameras. Yes, Yashad. Turn on camera, bete. Okay, now question number 3. Do question number 3, filling the blanks in the passage using these words. Using these words. Question number 3. Write the case in the first blank when animals and plant eats. When animal and plants waste decays. a gas called methane is given off. This gas can be collected and used as a fuel. Some villages in developing countries have biogas generators. Animal waste is put into a tank with a lid. As microbes, right microbes in the plant, digest the waste, gas is given off. This can be used for cooking and heating homes in cold countries. Cooking. We have to write these fill in the blanks in this sequence.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes, Shashar. Yes, Shashar.
teacher, बायोगैस के आगे कौन सा वाला है? एनिमल वेस्ट इज पुट इन माइक्रो।
हाँ जी, लिखा हुआ बेटा, ये देखें क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 स्क्रीन शेयर पे मैंने लिखे हुए हैं सारे।
ओके
देखे ना स्क्रीन शेयर पे, डिकेज फर्स्ट ब्लैंक में आना है, मीथेन सेकंड में, थर्ड फ्यूल, फिर बायोगैस, फिर माइक्रो, फिर कुकिंग। इस तरह आप स्क्रीन शेयर से देखें, सारा मैंने सोल्व किया हुआ आपके बुक पर। ओके
ओके
ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। नेम 2 कॉमन फ्यूल्स, राइट ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर लिखे, ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस। Dua, open page number 15 of your workbook. Question number 2. Coal is a fossil fuel consisting mainly of carbon. What gas in the air is needed for coal to burn? A में लिखें ऑक्सीजन, लिखें ऑक्सीजन। Part B. Write a word equation from the burning of coal in oxygen. Write oxygen, then plus carbon is equal to carbon dioxide. Equation complete करें. Complete the equation. Question number 4, part B. Oxygen plus carbon, then form carbon dioxide. Part 3. The atoms in molecules of fuels are held together by chemical bonds. Explain what happens to these bonds when fuel burns. Write it. When fuel is ignited, energy is used to break the bonds in the fuel molecules. Fuel atoms combine with oxygen to form new molecules. Write it. Yashad,
Yes, teacher.
Yashad, have you done?
जो थोड़ा सा रह गया.
समझ आ रही है ना सही से?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
Oxygen. Yeah.
Now, question number 5. Question number 5. Part 2. What do we call the heating up of the earth? Part 2, question number 5 on page number 16. Page number 16, question number 5. Part 2, what do we call the heating up of the earth? Right, global warming. Right, global warming. Third, explain why carbon dioxide is sometimes called a greenhouse gas. Yes, Manahid?
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Second, explain why carbon dioxide is sometimes called a greenhouse gas. Is a good at keeping heat in, just like the glass in a greenhouse. Write this answer. Part 4. Explain how the heating up of the earth can lead to flooding of low-lying countries. Because ice cap melts कि जब बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी हो जाएगी तो फ्लड कैसे आ सकते हैं? क्योंकि वो जो आइस कैप्स हैं वो मेल्ट कर जाएंगे. सी लेवल्स राइज सो लो लाइंग countries flood. Write this answer at the. Do the question number 5. These part 3. Do the question number 5. Write the question answer. Part 2, global warming. Part 3 is a good at keeping heat in, just like the glass in a greenhouse. Part 4, ice cap melts, sea level rise, so low-lying countries flood. Okay, class 6. Open page number 17. Page number 17. Question number 6. ये terms है आपके पास. Solar panels. Explain how each of 6 features shown in a figure help save heat energy. Solar panels, double glazing, ये मैंने आपको सारे define किए हैं chapter में. You have to write in your workbook. Question number 6 write करें. Solar panels. Solar panels absorb heat from the sun to heat water, so saving fuel. Double glazing. Double glazing has a layer of air trapped between the glass. That air is a good insulator, so reducing heat loss. Shutters. Shutters trap a layer of air between themselves and the windows. Air is a good insulator, so reducing heat loss. Conservatory. Conservatory facing road will get most available heat from the sun. Heat is retained during the night, thus saving fuel to heat the house. Now you have to write it carefully. Solar panels, double glazing, shutters, conservatory on page number 17, question number 6. Yashar, cavity wall insulation. Cavity wall insulation traps air, which is a good insulator and prevent heat loss by conduction. Loft insulation. Loft insulation traps Loft insulation traps air, which is a good insulation and prevents heat loss by convection. Yes, Yashar.
Yes, teacher.
You have to write these.
Okay.
लिख ली है आपने?
Teacher, no.
काम पे हो?
Teacher, शटर पे हूँ, नेट चला गया था.
Shattered से?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Hurry up.
टीचर आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर हमें भेज दे.
आप लोग पिक्चर्स ले लिया करें मोबाइल से, स्क्रीन शेयर की. वैसे भी
टीचर
आप होमवर्क में आपको आ जाएंगे, जो मिस हो जाएगा वहां से कर ले.
ओके. ओके.
page number 18. Page number 18. The diagram shows a tidal barrage. Electricity is produced from a turbine at the bottom of the barrage. Part 1. Why it is called a tidal barrage? Electricity is produced from the rising and falling of the tides. Answer 1. Answer 2. Explain how a tidal barrage works. Okay, class, you have to complete your question number 6. We have to do question number 7 in the next class. You have to complete this. Hurry up. Yes, Dua.
टीचर, वो जो मैंने आपसे उस दिन जो क्वेश्चन किया था, आपने जो बताया था साइंस की वर्कबुक में, वो जो दूसरी बुक है साइंस की, चैप्टर नंबर 2 का, वो जो आपने आंसर नहीं बताया था, आपने 2 बताए थे, सिर्फ एक नहीं बताया था। आपने कहा था टीचर वो आइस वाला सारा उसका आंसर है, वो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन 2 का, और 1 का आपने बता दिया था। और टीचर वो जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में जो पेज नंबर 24 पे जिसका आंसर है, उसका क्या आंसर है टीचर?
वो आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं उसके नोट्स आपको मिलने हैं स्कूल से। अभी मैं उनको प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ, वो आपको मिल जाएंगे इस होमवर्क के साथ।